Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily reset your forgotten Windows login password without needing any extra software. So if you are stuck on the login screen, this video will help you get back in. So let's get started. Alright, so let's start by restarting your computer. So for that, just click on the power icon on the lock screen. And now press and hold the left shift key on the keyboard, and while holding it, click on restart. Then click restart anyway. This will boot the system into a special recovery mode. Once the computer restarts, you will see a menu with a few options. Choose troubleshoot from here. Next, click on advanced option. And then select command prompt. This will open up the command prompt window. And here we will type in a few commands to reset the password. Okay, so first you need to identify the drive where your OS is installed. So for most people it's the C drive, but sometimes it could be different. In my case also the OS is on the D drive. So I need to type D : and hit enter. Then type cd space Windows and hit enter. And then again type cd space system32 and hit enter. Now we are in the right folder to make the necessary changes. Okay, now we need to rename the utility manager. So type the command ren space utilman.exe space utilman _old.exe and hit enter. This renames the original utility manager. Okay, next we will copy the command prompt file and rename it as a utility manager. So you need to type the command ren space cmd.exe space utilman.exe and press enter. Now command prompt will open when we click on utility manager at the login screen. I will show you later. Alright, so it's time to restart the PC now. So just close the command prompt window and click on continue. This will once again redirect to your login screen. When you are back on the login screen, now look for the utility manager icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on it. And now you should see command prompt pop up instead of the utility manager. And here you need to type one command, that is control space user password 2 and press enter. This will open up a user account window where we can reset the password. In the user accounts window, look for the account you want to reset the password for. With your account selected, click on reset password. Now you can set new password of your choice, but I am going to leave it as a blank. Then click on OK. Now close this window. Now I am going to restart my PC again. Once restart, you will be able to sign into your Windows without any password. See, I think it's very easy now. Anyone can do this procedure whenever required. Okay, but you need to make sure to put things back to normal. We will need to reverse the changes we made to utility manager so that everything works as usual. To do this, right click on start, then go to settings, then navigate to system and then select recovery. Under recovery option, click on restart now. And when your PC restart, choose troubleshoot, then advanced options and finally command prompt. Once command prompt opens, navigate back to the system32 folder and repeat the previous step. Okay, that is D : hit enter, then cd Windows, cd system32 and hit enter. Now we will be delete the command prompt copy we added and rename the original utility manager file. So for that you need to again type ren space utilman.exe space cmd.exe and hit enter. And again here you need to type ren space utilman _old.exe space utilman.exe and press enter. This will delete the temporary command prompt replacement and restore the original utility manager. Okay. So that's it guys. Hopefully this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips and leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.